We're here at 11667 Grove Street in Seminole. I've pushed in through the closet flange. It's a little over 9 feet here, and I'm hitting what looks to be some sort of paper stoppage. Let's see if I can push through it here. And at 15 feet, I'm hitting something else. But with this line being clogged, it's kind of hard to see anything at all here. So here at 16.5 feet, obviously we can't see through the pipe, but there is a pretty hard blockage here. Let's see if I can clean that head off, and hopefully we'll be able to see something. Alright, headed back down through the flange here. Obviously, we've stirred this pipe up a little bit. There's that big mushy paper stoppage. We got through that. And back to here where I can't see or do anything. Looks like another paper stoppage. Let's see if I can't work on this for a minute. Okay. Looks like we've got this mostly cleared. We're just inside the clean out again. Well, already full of water still. Back to that same spot. I'm going to pull out of here and still try some more with it. Okay, so basically I got that area cleared out, and what's going on is the bottom of the pipe looks like it has rotted out. So as I push forward through there, I just fall into a cavern underneath the pipe. I'm trying to get backwards enough to where I can see what's going on. Okay, so I've got this marked right here is about the beginning of that crack. That's in the bedroom next to the bathroom we're running from. Looks like there's a bottom of the pipe here. I can't keep pushing to find the other end of it, as I almost got the camera stuck in the line going as far as we did. But that is the problem. There is a gaping hole in the bottom side of the sewer pipe.